Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into my channel. Today I'm coming to you with some healthy natural hair tips. I got asked this question by one of my loves on Facebook, and I thought it would be great to just make a video sharing with you all what I shared with her. Yeah, we're in the winter, and I've been writing tons and tons of articles on KinkyCurlyCoilyMe.com about winter hair care. If you have not checked it out, go to KinkyCurlyCoilyMe.com, hit enter, and check out the articles that are over there because they're great resources to everybody. Even though right now we're in winter, the conversation around a healthy hair care regimen is exclusive of season. It's pretty much any time of the year. You got hair on your head, this is some good advice, okay? Now, the first thing I want to say in regards to healthy hair care regimen is you need to have a good moisture routine. This is something that a lot of people struggle with creating because they're not really sure how to get their hair to feel moisturized. I know a lot of people like to follow the LOC method, which is the LOC, leave-in conditioner followed by an oil and then followed by a cream. I actually don't like that method, and I really do feel like putting an oil on before a cream just does not allow the cream to properly penetrate the hair, because one of the properties of oil is lubrication and sealing. So what I recommend you do is on wet hair, either directly after you've shampooed and conditioned, you then, as your hair is wet, add your leave-in conditioner followed by your cream. And then you seal it off with the oil. And if your hair is dry, let's say you're working on old hair that has not been shampooed and conditioned right now, but was days ago, then you want to mist your hair lightly with water before applying the leave-in, the cream, and then the oil. And that's like the regimen that I like. To do my hair today, I used water in a water bottle, and I missed the section that I was going to twist. My hair is old. It's probably about 2, almost 3 weeks old, if not 3 weeks old already. And then I use my leave-in. The leave-in that I use is the new As I Am Long and Luxe leave-in conditioner. They have a new pomegranate and grapefruit collection, and I really like the leave-in. And then I followed up with the Eden Body Works Curl Defining Cream as my C. That's the second thing I put on my hair. So leave-in, then I put the cream on, and then I sealed it all with an oil before I twisted it down, and that's what gave me the results you see here. And I feel like old dirty hair always looks so much better. Let me know what you think. Do you feel like old dirty hair always looks so much better? Because it looks great on me. 3 weeks or less, but it looks amazing, okay? So the second thing I would recommend for a healthy regimen is that you follow a really good nighttime routine. If you are suffering with dry hair, if you hate the way your hair looks in the morning because it's all frizzy and matted, your nighttime routine is the only way you can combat that. So I like to do my moisture routine, which is what I shared with you before in the first tip. I like to do that at night, and then I put on my satin cap. I've been rocking the Grace Alea satin line cap. They call it slaps. That's what I've been wearing, and I put that on my hair, and I just let my hair air dry overnight. If you don't like wearing satin bonnets or caps, you can use a silk scarf, you can use a silk pillowcase, but you have to have a good nighttime routine, and that could mean like how I twist my hair up. I moisturize and twist my hair, and then I put it up for bed. For you, that could be putting it in a pineapple or putting it in a ponytail. Depending on how you're gonna style your hair, it could be braiding it, it could be twisting it. Whatever it is, you need to have some type of nighttime routine so that your hair can maintain moisture and style until the morning. The third tip that I have for a healthy hair routine is leave the heat alone, y'all. Leave the heat alone. Stop blow drying, stop pressing, flat ironing all your hair, frying your hair to death. Stop it. Now, I respect people who just want to go in between styles and they want different looks. Now that the weather is cooler, it's obviously more optimal for you to wear your hair straight because you don't have to fight with the frizziness coming from humidity. I get it, but heat is not really healthy on your hair. It causes breakage, it causes heat damage, where your curl pattern and your curl texture literally does not revert back. And when that happens, nobody wins. Nobody wins. So I say leave the heat. Yes, you can get heat damage from blow drying, even though people will say, no, it's, it's indirect heat or whatever. That's not true, especially if you're using a comb attachment. The heat is on your hair and it is damaging the protein bonds in your hair, which give you your kink, your curls, and your coils. And it can definitely damage your hair. And I can tell you, as someone who used to blow dry very minimally years ago, that I did experience very mild case of heat damage where I could see my twist out was looking very, very different after each and every blow dry, which wasn't even that often, maybe every couple of months. So just to be completely honest with you, it can happen. And if you go to the hairstylist and they're blow drying your hair, forget about it. You probably will be getting some heat damage because they're trying to get that bad boy as straight as possible. And it's not only the Dominicans. I know the Dominicans get a bad rap because of how they do blow drying, but pretty much any stylist who's blow drying your hair can cause heat damage to your hair. Not saying that if you flat iron and you blow dry, you will. I'm just saying it can happen. So just leave it alone, just leave it alone, just leave it alone. So those are my 3 healthy hair practices tips. I know you got some more because I only gave y'all 3. Let me know what you recommend as a healthy hair practice by leaving a comment below. Let everybody know how they can get on Team Healthy Hair for 2018, okay? Please, please, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. And as always, I love you for watching. Bye.